For the intro and a good chunk of the song, you're starting with a bar, just a bar, on the 5th fret. So don't forget to use the side of your finger, meaning like here, this part, as opposed to, you can already see marks happening, as opposed to this part. And I don't mean like exactly on the side. So if you think about your finger getting divided into a square, right? Top, bottom, left, sides. You're going to be on this outside corner. And you only need to, so that's your first chord. And then you have open. And then you're going to bar the 3rd fret with your your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and then back to barring on the 5th fret. The finger picking part of this is thumb on the big string, and your index finger grabs the D, and your middle finger grabs the G. You're just going back and forth. And to me, it sounds like there is a bit of a pull off with the left hand, like this. See how I'm stopping until you get to that last guy. So if you watch my right hand, it's like this. Then the end of the verse, or excuse me, the end of the intro, what's known as the turnaround, your chords are, you've moved over a string. So now you're still barring, but you're barring the 7th fret, and your middle finger is going to be on the 6th fret of the B string. And then you slide that down, so you're on 5 and 6, so you're barring the 5th fret, and your middle finger is on the 6th fret of the B string. And then you do all of your stuff again. So if we add that in there, your right hand is moved down a string. So your thumb is now on the A string, and your index finger is on the G, and your middle finger is on the B. So slide that down, and then we start over. So altogether, that little piece sounds like this. Here's what the movement looks like with the left hand. So if we do the turnaround.